Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Hope everyone had a great 4th of July. For some reason I want to say 4th of July weekend, but it's not the weekend. It was Thursday. Today is Friday. So weekend's tomorrow, right? Right. Well, anyways, hope everyone had a safe one. And mine was kind of quiet. It wasn't, we were expecting storms to come through here and stuff like that. And some towns ended up stopping their 4th of July firework, bash or whatever you want to call it. But my town ended up having theirs, but it wasn't as it usually would be. It was kind of lame. Didn't go to see it, but I can hear it and pretty close by it. But like I said, as long as everyone had fun and it was safe, it was great. So George ended up sending me his video of his unboxing. So my reactions are going to be a double reaction compared to what you're going to see is going to be for the first time. This will be the second time I'll be watching it. Plus I'm going to be editing the video and making it a little bit more interesting to watch. So let's go and check out George's unboxing.
All right. Well, the guitar has had time to situate itself. It's been about 24 hours. So let's see. And Eric's done a good job of packing this thing. This feels to be the heavy end, so that's the butt of the guitar. So I'll open it up this way.
He said anus.
There's a lot of Fragile stickers on it. Oh, yes. Ah, yes. A lot of packing material. And here she is. Okay.
At this point, I want to stop the video. As you can see, there was a box in a box. Now, I wanted to do the thing where it was a box in a box in a box, but I didn't have a smaller box to put another box in.
Awesome. Slips there. This is there. And there's that everywhere. Yes, that it should be everywhere. And more packing material. Well, at least Eric did a hell of a lot better job of packing this than the actual company that when I sent it. Sweet. And here it is. All right, let me get this camera situated and I'll be right back.
I will name him George, and I will hug him and pet him and squeeze him.
Oh, all right. The guitar came, obviously the guitar came because you saw me open it up, but it is just beautiful. The fret ends, it's like butter, you can't even feel the fret ends, because before you felt them. The sitar sound is not there. Yeah, I need to tune the guitar up. I'll get that later, but that's not the important thing. At least the sitar sound is gone. And then hopefully the person I'm going to give this to will enjoy it, because if not, I would be happy to enjoy this thing as well. Oh man. But yeah, I see what you're talking about with the, over here at the nut, you knock that edge down to where the strings are not resting against that sharp edge from the fretboard. So there's just this nice smooth transition. Oh yes. Perfect.
No. I just didn't see that, did I? I didn't see that. Please tell me it didn't happen.
Shame on you, George.
I'm speechless.
Never mind about that. That's why. That's why when you do stunts, you have something nice and thick down like that for. Sweet. All right, and again, I will chat with you later, Eric. Again, awesome job. Thank you, sir. All right, bye.
Oh, George, you were naughty to pretend.